Hey there, foodies. Today,
On better eats, greens, better get your string beans. But today we are cooking chicken Parmigiano. Get your frying pans, baby. Get you some divine sauce. You can order at hashtag divine wisdom. P.O. Box me to get you some. Baby. You will need 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Also, clean and wash your chicken. Make sure that it is fresh and ready to be cooked. Clean chicken. Baby. Now let's go. I want you to get you some gloves so that you do not cross-contaminate your food. Let's go and flow to greatness. Did you get your seasonings? Time to season that chicken. Sprinkle, season. Sprinkle, season. Better season in your chicken. We were seasoning the chicken. Now, I want you to take this chicken and get ready to cook it. Put a tablespoon of butter into your frying pan. Let's go. Now drop 2 pieces of chicken breast into this frying pan. Flip that chicken, baby. Now, I want you to flip it again. Keep flipping. Now, I want you to glaze your chicken. Swing your pot round and round. She's done. Put it aside. And the juice is good. On the hood right there. Now, take your other 2 pieces of chicken. Let's flow. The chicken. Did you flip the chicken? Baby. She is cooking nicely. And sit the chicken to the side. We are going to prepare a sauce. Put your sauce into your frying pan. I want you to heat it up, and I want you to pour the grease out that was in that pan into a jar with paper towel. Now, add your divine sauce, baby. Let that cook. Now, put it on. Cook it for 5 minutes. Now, I want you to insert the chicken into this sauce. Baby. Add the chicken into this pan. Be sure that it is covered completely. Like so. Did you cover your chicken completely? Now, I want you to add you some cheddar cheese. It's sharp cheddar. Sprinkle, baby, on top of the sauce. Sprinkle. sure that everything is covered completely and add your Parmesan. Did you get your Parmigiano? Alright. Now, I want you to get ready to cover your chicken with aluminum foil. Put a couple of holes in there. Now it's time to put it into the oven and let it cook for 10 minutes. And now she is done. But be sure that you cook it on 450 degree temperature for 10 minutes. Let's go. Time to eat. Enjoy. This has been the Divine Meal. Thanks for choosing #BetterEat. Well, you better have ate some chicken Parmesan. You did. Peace and blessings. It is always a pleasure. Thanks. Until Sunday at 11:45 a.m. See you then.